Hopefully, hopefully the audio is working today. Let's verify that. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Okay, looks like it's working. Get set up real quick. All right, let's get this show on the road. Let's get this show on the road. Yeah. Okay. So, let's take this out real quick. Okay. 927. Economic calendar. Anything today? So we got 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing. What's up, Mark? Happy Friday, man. Let's close out Friday with another winning day. Okay. So we have data at 10 a.m. I can't pick up. So we gotta wait. Okay. So let's come to the 1 hour and let's see if we can find any supports and resistances. So we have resistance right over there. So what would be support? Support, I would say, well, we already bounced from support in this area right here. So I would say this right here would be support that we bounce off of right there, and we're approaching resistance. So we have some clear runway, so we're good with that. We have clear runway, so we're good with that. So let's go to the Russell 2000. So we're still trading within that range. Um, this range right here. So I mean, we have open room to go. Let's come to the 30 minute. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in onto the 30 minute. And probably I would say right here would be some form of resistance, like a little small one. I'm gonna mark it too, just in case. I'm gonna mark it. If we approach that, I can get right out of it. So we have market open, ding, 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 ding. Okay, so let's take a look at where the 200 EMA is. So we're trying to break above that on the 30. Trying to break above that 200 EMA. Let's come to the 15. Did we break above it? I'm sure we did, right? So we are above the 200 and the 15 minute. So let's come to the 5. And we're above that 200 EMA. Okay. All right, not bad. So let's come to the Dow Jones and let's take a look at the 5 minute 200 where we are way above that. So let's come to the 30 minute and we're approaching it right there. So I know we're gonna price action is gonna bounce off of that. And we're gonna mark that and we're gonna come to the 3 and we're gonna leave it there. So let's bring up both screens and we're gonna have the Russell and we're gonna have the Dow Jones right there simultaneously back to back. Obviously, price action has already run, so there's nothing for me to trade there at all. Um, it already did its move over here and it already did its move over here, so I can't really trade this at all. Price action is bouncing up. I can't really trade that. We can hear you today? Yeah. What's up, E? Yeah, so yesterday, when I turned off the computer and turned it back on, it worked. So, so that's all I had to do. But I wasn't gonna do that yesterday because I already have my whole setup. And to turn it off and turn it back on and put everything back on, it's a fucking hassle. So, yeah, thankfully it works today. Just a little technical difficulty, so hopefully it works a little bit better today. So everything is running without me, and we're just gonna have to wait for price action to come back, and I enter the retracement. Because price action is popping, it's 9:32. I mean, I'm not gonna trade 2 minutes into the market, so I'm forced to wait. So let's take a look at MES. That's running. MNQ. Wow, that's running. Jeez, market's popping right now. Market's popping like crazy. All right, well, damn, I hate days like this because that just means that I'm just gonna be waiting for a long ass fucking time. Take a picture real quick. Um, okay. So yeah, we're forced to wait, man. The only thing So the only trade that we can take right here going long is I have to wait for the RSI to swing back down and curve back around, then I enter that long position. Other than that, I can't fucking trade this, dog. I can't trade this. Unless I do like my old trick on like on the 2 minute 9 EMA bounce right here. Unless I take a bounce off the 9 EMA, but I don't want to. I don't want to. Um yeah. Yeah, we're too way overextended. I can't trade that. Yeah, man. So we're forced to wait. Ugh. What are you guys trading? Are you trading anything? I mean, I'll be very fucking shocked that you. Well, actually, I won't be shocked because a lot of us are degenerate gamblers. So I decided to jump onto the trends. But yeah, I don't see nothing here to trade, dog. To be honest with you, I don't feel like risking shit. MNQ and M2K just broke the 15-minute super trend. Just broke the 15 and the 30-minute 200. Okay, let's take a look at the 30-minute 200. So I broke that here. Let me. So 30-minute 200 is right there. Yeah. In order for me to even trade this, it's a good thing that you brought this up. I would want price to come back down here, hang out, and then come back up. That's the only way I would trade it. But other than that, I mean, I can't trade this price action. Everything just ran. Oh well, can't do nothing about it. I was long ES at 8 at 5,932. Just got stopped out on the pullback. Um, and the 15-minute MNQ. Okay. Um. So you said on the on so you were long at 5,932. Can you explain that again? You were long at 5,932 since 8 a.m. Why didn't you pull out? Well, I mean, I'm assuming you got stopped out in profit. I was long on ES. I just got stopped out on the pullback, which is right here. So, I mean, you're up 14 points, right? Does that seem correct? I think that seems right. That's a pretty good fucking trade, dog. How'd you even do it? So we got price action bouncing, rejected off super trend and the ribbon, and it's popping up. Dude, I'm still not gonna trade this shit, dog. Let's check the 2 minute right here, and let's look at the 90 MA. I'm pretty sure it retraced off the 90. Yes, it did. It retraced off the 90 MA and bounced off. I could have taken that. I could have taken that. God damn, that shit's popping, dog. Woo! That shit's popping, dog. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. God damn, bro. Nice, bro. Damn, Mark. You over here making money, dog. Shit, that was nice trade, dude. Okay, so we're popping up. I think we're about to hit that 30-minute 200, or we already hit it. Yeah, we already hit it. Okay, so here are the trades that I'm gonna take going long. So we have two trades that I'm trying for C in the future. I just jumped back on the pullback. I'm done for the day. Range breakouts at okay. Opening range at 8 a.m. That makes sense. Okay. 1800 on the day. Goddamn. Good shit, bro. Good shit. You're trying to pass those evals. Um, yeah. Yeah, since I have I have PAs, so I have a life funded account, so I play small. So right here, so we're getting rejected off that 200 EMA on the 30-minute. So of course I want price to reject, come back down. We're gonna take a look at it on the 3-minute. So I want price to reject off of here, smack down, consolidate, as well as the RSI to come back down around here. So it's gonna go look like this. Is it to come up, get rejected, come down, consolidate, then come back up. Same thing for M2K. Whichever performs first. Whichever one of these performs first is the one that I'm gonna do. So we're just gonna have to wait. So it's a specific setup that I take going long. That's how I take pullbacks, especially when price action just runs. I wait for price to come back, consolidate, then go for the second leg, back up. And for the Dow Jones, it would be come back down and then try to retest that 200 to break it. And for the Russell 2000, it'll be come down, retest the 200 on the 30-minute to hold and make the second leg up. So those are the two options that I have right here. I'm ready for foreseeing my trades. Whichever one happens first is the one that I'm taking. Yeah. Well, I mean, either way, we have 10 a.m. data, so I guess we're just gonna wait, dude. Smart move, pre-planning the trade. That's when I do my best is predicting the price action ahead and then playing it when it happens. Yep, me too, bro. That's actually that's actually when I'm on my P's and Q's, dog. When I predict price action. It's because I mean I've seen this shit happen so many times, bro. It's like the market does the same shit all the time. When it overextends, it comes down, consolidates, keeps going up for the second leg. It happens a lot. So that recurring pattern just sticks in your head. It removes the indecision. Exactly. It removes the indecision. And since because I trade two instruments, it's whichever one comes to fruition first is the one that I take. So, um, look at the large wick, obviously rejected off the 30 minute. And then we have price action dropping down on the Russell, trying to come back down to this 200 right here. Like I said, whichever one comes first. Retracing, that's more in the touch, bro. That's a big ass, that's a fucking grab. That's not a touch, that's a grab. So 9:45, we still got 15 minutes till data happens. So hopefully when data comes, everything is settled, and then we go on to the second leg of price action. So let's take a visual look right here. Big wick, 200 EMA on the 30 minute, coming back down. That's how it looks like on the 30. 15 minute, eh. All right, so it's coming. It's coming. He's got to wait. All right, so price action has fully retraced down to that 200 EMA. Look at that shit, bro. Big ass fucking fat candle, baby. Big ass fucking fat candle. Um, so now the first part of my plan is happening. The fucking fat retracement down, consolidation, consolidation, come back up. And we want to see the RSI come down around here, come back up. The RSI come down right here and come back up. So let's mark the 5-minute 200 EMAs. Just in case we fucking switch short. Man, we're coming back down hard, baby. We're coming back down hard, dog. So we're going to mark that right there. Let's come to the 15-minute and take a look. Take a look-see. Okay, so that 200's right there. So I don't like it going short. So the same thing that happened yesterday, if I go short right here with the 5-minute and the 15-minute 200 right there, it has to break the 5-minute 200. It's gonna have to be a fast scalp to take that move. Because yesterday, this same setup with the 5-minute and the 15-minute 200 alongside each other, price bounced back hard. Um, and I was up significantly. I could have just took the money because since we're at the 15-minute 200, I can expect price action to retrace hard because that's a big blockade. So here The 15-minute 200, we broke past it, but we couldn't get over it. So we're going to highlight that. Okay. Hard rejection down, folks. Hard rejection down. RSI went from 91 to 42 on 10 minute on M2K. Yeah. So the most important thing on the RSI is the moving average. Well, the RSI itself, it's this line, it's important. When you're in a position, the farther away from the moving average, the better. I don't know, but in my personal opinion, I think this moving average right here is the most important one. Just watching the way it moves. So even though it's coming down like that, it still has a lot of strength because the moving average is at 65. I don't know. My personal opinion. But that RSI is king though. That shit, it does specific patterns that I remember. So god damn, bro, we're fucking selling off like crazy. Jesus. Okay. All right. So okay. So wow, bro. Holy shit. Okay, just like that, we're going short. But we have data in 8 minutes though. We have data in 8 minutes though. Okay. All right. So I mean, I don't really like it going short. This one, I don't like it going short. I like the Dow Jones going short better because we are already below that 15-minute 200. Here, the 15-minute 200 and the 5-minute 200 are aligning with each other. So if I'm going short, it's gonna have to be a quick scalp. So I'm gonna go for the Dow Jones play if we go short. But there's 8 minutes left till data. If the 10-minute 200 EMA holds, it should head back up. If not, we might have a sell off. Maybe. I'm gonna focus on anticipating the 5 and the 3 minute and the 15. Well, I guess the 10 minutes close enough proximity to the 15. Okay, so we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting. So basically, the market gave back everything that it gave. Gave back everything that it gave. Yeah, it retraced. The move started up here. That shit retraced back 100%. The move started over here. That shit retraced 100%. That shit gave back everything. People took the whole fucking profit off. So we have a bounce right here. That looks pretty favorable. That's good. So we got 6 minutes left. So I mean we're just gonna have to wait for data again. So let's take a look at what the 5 minutes doing right here. Okay. All right. Keep waiting. 15-minute 200 is holding. Well, on the Russell, yeah, it is. I expect it to hold. But like I said, if you're going short, on the Russell, if it breaks below the 5 minute 200, um, and it flushes down, that first flush down, I'll just get to take the money. I'll just take the money on that shit because repeating pattern. The same thing that happened yesterday could happen and just bounce right back up. So this time I'm not making the same mistake. If I go short on the Russell, I'm not making the same mistake. But in order for me to combat that, I'm just gonna trade the Dow Jones because we are already below the 200 right here. This is the 15-minute 200. We're already below it, so I don't have to worry about it as much. I mean, I still am, but not as much. Okay, so look at this RSI, the moving average. Now you can see it pivoting down. Now we really have price action moving down. So we got 4 minutes left to data. So both of them are breaking the 200. So we're gonna want a big break, a hold, and then enter on the third candle. And that's all we can do because breaks of the 200 for me are C setups. So if I'm taking this break of the 200, um, it's going to be small position size. That's small position size. That's pretty much it. And then Q and the Russell. Yeah. Yes, sir. So we got 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. Let's see if this data brings us back up or if it lets us die. Okay, so we're getting the candle break right over here, and I'm just gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Getting the flush down. 1 minute and 30 seconds. So it looks like this one's gonna break. So we're watching that break. Wait for the second candle to hold. Enter on the third candle. Forty seconds left. Okay, so I think we're gonna focus on the Russell right now. I mean, on the Dow Jones right now. They're both similar. Let's take a look at what the 5 minutes doing. So we have lots of separation here on the MACD on the RSI, so that's pretty good. There you go. There you go. All right. So data dropped. Looks like it looks a little bearish. Okay, so we have a break below, and we're gonna watch price action over here and watch this volatility. For all we know, this shit can bounce right back. I think we're gonna head back down though, because we're underneath the 30-minute 200 EMA on both of these. So I think we're gonna head back down. So I don't think I'm gonna enter on this candle though. I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna wait for the next candle to close. So we're still gonna wait. I don't know. We'll see. Indicators are to the downside though. So we got 40 seconds on this candle. I'm just gonna watch this candle right here, and I think I'm gonna stick to the Dow. The way it looks. Thank God I didn't take it. Thank God I didn't take it. Yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. I'm anticipating going short. Nah, I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen. Yeah. Well, we're just gonna keep on waiting, dog. Holy shit. This is why patience pays. Even though I didn't make money, what paid me is me not losing money. So we're gonna wait. I don't think this shit's gonna come down. I think it's gonna come right back up. All right, so let's remove this trade design and let's come back to the Russell. Okay, so the thesis that I was telling you guys about, still valid. The thesis of it dropping down, consolidating, and then coming back up. So let's take a look at that RSI, just like how I said. We want the RSI to come, look, there you go, drop back down. RSI was all the way up here and it came back down. Okay. All right, so we're watching this. Let's see. ES already back at the high of day. Let's take a look. The hell? Yeah. Yeah, but that's an ugly retracement though. That shit ugly. So we have the Russell 2000 popping up. And the Dow Jones popping back up. So super trend is green. All right, so we're gonna wait for the next trade signal over here. So let me take a look at the 30-minute right here. We're back above it. I think the Russell 2000 is a more favorable trade. I really think so. We'll keep on watching. Reject off the 2-minute, 10-minute 200 on yes. I'm assuming you're talking about yes. So I'm probably gonna trade the Russell 2000. It looks a little bit more favorable. Yeah, we're gonna trade the Russell 2000. And this is gonna be a B setup right here. All right, so we're going back long, folks. So we got the market go up, drop down, consolidate, come back up. I would have wanted the RSI to come back down a little bit more, but hey, it is what it is. It's got the market popping up. So, I don't know, bro. Looks a little sketchy. Okay, so we're watching price action. Maybe I should enter this pullback right here. Okay, so I got on this pullback, and we're gonna go We're gonna go half size right here. So we have RSI trying to come back above its moving average. Let's bring up that stop. So this right here is a B setup. We have price action bouncing off. So the market ran, dropped down, consolidated, jumped back up, and I wanted to enter the second leg up. So I waited for a trading signal right here. Once price action broke the parabolic SAR, I got a new signal for a suggested long. My indicators right here, they're bullish. Whole moving average is bullish, super trend up. We come right here, RSI doesn't look too good. We have some separation on the MACD. So we're still holding this. So I think I'm going to move my stop loss a little bit more up because the trade looks a little bit sketchy. And we're going to mitigate some risk right there. So let's see what happens. Let's come to the 5-minute. And it's popping up. It looks a little bit sketchy. I should have maybe gone smaller size. But like I said, this is like a more of a B setup-ish. So we'll wait and hold. Hopefully the market doesn't chop my ass to fucking oblivion. Yeah. So, yeah, I can't. There's nothing I can do with that. Price popped and it's coming down, so we're going to wait and hold. Damn, that shit fucking rejected off my ass. That shit rejected off my ass right away, bro. We'll see what happens here. So we got a big wick right here. Buying pressure. Let's see if that holds. And I'm going to expect resistance up here at pre-market high. So we'll see what happens. That's very reassuring. A big wick like that is very reassuring. Very reassuring. I don't like that RSI is dropping down. That's not a good sign, dog. That's not a good sign, bro. So I'm going to put my stop loss. I think I want to put it underneath this wick right here. I'll hold. I don't know if I see this coming back up. I don't like the way the RSI looks. But hey, I could be wrong. We're just gonna have to trust our intuition. 2267, the 5-minute super trend. That's a hurdle to clear. 2267 up here. Let's see. So it looks like we still held. Big wick right there, buying pressure. This is very crazy price action right now. Market volatility is crazy. God damn. Market volatility is crazy. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. Fly it up. No, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way, bro. Yeah, so this is why I don't go full size um on specific setups anymore. Thankfully, I identified my setups to C, B, and A plus setups. On B, I go half risk. On C, I go quarter. On A setups, I go full. And thank God I don't go full risk on this because that shit would be painful, dog. This is a B setup because we're going with trend. But with the volatility right now, god damn, that shit's crazy, dog. I'm down 192. This shit's gonna smack back down, isn't it? Fuck. But as you know, that's why the best thing you can do in trading is mitigate your risk. Identify the trading setups that um, needs full size, needs half size, needs quarter size. So I'm going half size. So damn, down 242. God damn. I stopped out. Jesus, bro. Too choppy at this point. Down 242 on the day. Wow, bro. Let's go back to the Dow Jones. Wants to come back down. So it looks like we're going short. It looks like we're going short. Okay. So got my ass chopped on a B setup on the Russell. Chop fucking suey. Shit fucked me up. Rocked my world. So let's see if we can recuperate some of the money back. Some of the money back. But this is why I say that trading is all about managing your risk. And I managed my risk by playing half size on a B setup. It wasn't A plus. So I could have lost a lot more. So right now we are waiting for the Dow Jones to break below. So we come back to the 5 minute, smackdown, RSI, very separation, big separation, MACD separation, lots of separation. Okay, so it looks like we're going short over here. All right, so now we're playing to get our money back. We're not playing to be profitable. We're playing to get some of the money back. And since this is a break of the 200, this is a C setup. since this is a break of the 200, this is a C setup, so I'm going quarter risk. So I can't go half and get most of my money back. I have to go quarter and try to get half of the money back. So right here, we're breaking below. So we're going to enter a short position right here. So we're entering a short position. Okay, so right now we are in short on the Dow Jones, trying to get back the money that we lost going long on the Russell 2000. So let's see if we can do it. We have our stop loss right above the 200 on the 5-minute and the 3-minute. We have our indicators right here telling us that it's bearish. Lots of separation on the RSI, separation on the MACD. We come to the 5-minute over here, broke below that 200. Lots of separation on the RSI, lots of separation on the MACD. So now we wait. I gave it enough breathing room, and we'll see what happens here. So even if I lose this trade, that's okay because I'm not going full risk. I'm going quarter risk because this is a break of the 200. And when price action breaks the 200 EMA, price action is going to get choppy because it doesn't know what it wants to do around the 200. If it wants to come back up, if it wants to come back down. That's why I play smaller than what I usually trade on breaks the 200 because of that indecision right there. So if it comes back up and stops me out, well, wow, bro, that's fucking crazy. It's a big ass candle up. So if it comes back up and stops me out, I mean, I did my job. Can't do nothing about it. Is this shit really trying to jump back up on me, dog? This is crazy, dog. Price action is insane right now. Insane. Insane. Wow, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. That's crazy, dog. Okay. So we have two losers in a row. I'm done for the trading day. I played quarter risk right here at the break of the 200. Instantly got bought back up. Volatility right now is fucking crazy. But I did what I had to do in my trading day. I'm down. I'm down a lot. I'm down 300 bucks on the day. Which fucking sucks, but it is what it is. That's where psychology comes into play. I know I did the best I possibly could in my trades, and it is what it is. On a B setup, I played half risk, moved up my stop loss, I stopped out. Breaks of the 200, my biggest weakness. And this is exactly why price action is very indecisive around the 200 EMA. So I play a lot smaller than what I usually play and got stopped out. It is what it is. I did my job. But 2 losers in a row and I'm out. I can't be trading a choppy market like that. So we're just going to move on with our day and call it. All right. We are out of here, folks. C'est la vie. Peace out.